Well, hello, I'm back and I'm better. Welcome back to another brand new video. Today I am going to be doing my makeup with you guys. And I don't know if I'm going to do like a get ready with me type of thing, but or fast forward things. I already did my brows because that takes me forever and a day. It's actually my friend's birthday yesterday and we're going to go have dinner today. She invited me, so I'm going to go have dinner with Liz, the homie. Happy birthday. Happy late birthday. Even though I'm going to see you in a bit. But today we're going to be using the It's My Raye Raye, or BH Cosmetics It's My Raye Raye palette that I've actually been really enjoying for this past whole month of April and March. I will have my favorites video soon, hopefully, before this one or after. I don't know. And I need to prime my lids. I literally have 45 minutes to get out of here. We'll see if that's going to happen because I have to take pictures and all that. You know how it goes in this girl's world. Woo! You scared the shit out of me, Hershey. We're gonna use Control Freak, which is this shade right here for my transition. Okay. I'm gonna do like a purple pink look. I'm gonna use Friday on top of that crease area. I just like using a transition shade. I'm placing that right on top. Let me give it more depth. I'm just using a plain brush that doesn't have anything on it and blending out the harsh lines because you don't want to have like that little line. Want to make sure it's blended out. And I like to hold the brush at the end, nothing too close like this, because if you hold it like this you're not gonna get like the actual brushes blended well. That's why I'm holding it at the end. So you're just letting the brush do all the work pretty much, like your hands just like going with the motion. You know, I like how it's looking. I'm gonna use a different brush, something more like this. This is a Japanese brush in 232. Now I'm gonna use a shade called Connie, which is the purple one next to it, and I'm gonna focus that right on the outer corner right here, and like tapping motions. You already know this because I've said it plenty of times on my channel. If you watched the whole entire tutorial, you know. I don't know if everybody watches it to the end, but if you do, thank you very much. I really appreciate you and your time, because I know there's other people that I'm sure you enjoy watching. But I am going to do these. It's like in a little C formation depending how your eye shape, but you can go as intense as you want, as deep as you want, do it to your liking. Some like to go really hard on their eyeshadow, some don't, so please, whatever you please. As you can see, it's kind of like really messy right now, but if you use a blending brush that doesn't have anything on it, and honestly just, again, use the end of the brush and pretty much let it do all the work so it can blend together. If you feel like you lose pigment for whatever reason, just go ahead and add it. Like, I'm gonna add some more because I lost some. If you feel like you lost some pink, you can go ahead and add that too. I got more Friday and kind of get that in here. Okay, I'm gonna use my Stila Kitten Karma that I haven't used since I've gotten her, I think, or haven't used in a tutorial. But she is beautiful. So what I'm gonna do is just kind of like, what's the thing on my nose? Kind of like cut the crease, but it's just gonna be like half. So that's what I'm gonna do because I feel like it's a little too precise. This is where I don't like this. The glitter spreads like crazy. There you go. Just put some on the edge to fade it out. There you go. I'm gonna use that purple and kind of like go over it a bit. There you go. A great way to take off glitter if you have a spoolie, just basically brush it away. Bam. I'm gonna add some eyeliner. Actually, I like to move on with my face, but I'm just gonna do eyeliner right now. I fucked up my eyeliner. I'm using Hydro Touch to clean it up from NYX. Thin brush, I cleaned it already. Just gonna clean that up because for primer, I'm gonna use my Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer for primer today. Haven't used her in a bit, but I actually really like her. I've been really enjoying, where are you? My Master Conceal concealer from Maybelline. I mean, you'll see I've used it quite a bit since Thailand. Oh shit, I put too much. Oh, oops. Whatever. It's a little light, but I use it first and then blend everything out. And this is a Morphe M439 brush. Just to blend that out. See, it kind of just like brightens everything. And this is in the shade medium. This is in the shade medium, by the way. I feel like I've done a look like this before. Maybe. Actually, I have with my... Oh my god, I have. Oops. Oh well. We're gonna do it again. Just because I love the way Fenty had, like, the finish of this is beautiful. We're gonna use her today. And I like to do one, like this thingy, and then do one side, and then I'll do the other. Because this actually dries pretty quickly, so I have to work with it fast. See, all these little suckers are like popping out. See, 1, 2, 3, bam. So it's like one pump, but I just let it drip all over my face because I'm savage like that. So with this foundation, I don't have to set it, which I really like. But I'm gonna use this hydrating spray from Pure Cosmetics. I just feel like I need to, you know, get a little hydration going. My battery or camera turned off. Alma did an amazing job. Now for bronzer, we're not going to use Anastasia today. We're going to use the Becca and Chrissy Teigan palette with the bronzer shade here. The reason why I like to add bronzer afterwards, it just kind of like meshes into together. That's just my thing. Everyone does their like face routine differently. Everyone's different. I'm gonna use the same blush in this palette. Just put it like this. Oh, let me do the lower lash line quickly. I use Friday and Connie. Brown liner on the waterline because that's my favorite thing, or actually together. It's Colombia. This is my favorite. I freaking love it. I'm gonna use the Violet Voss Unicorn Flare lashes. The foundation. Eyeliner Santalia. Best friend. Thank you very much. Good old classic cork. The end of this makeup tutorial. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Again, I apologize if I did have this look already, but if you liked it, let me know if you did by giving it a thumbs up. That shows me that you enjoy these kinds of videos. If not, then I totally understand. But until next time, I'll catch you in my next video. Toodles.